Hello people, so today we'll be solving to daily question that is 1829 maximum XOR for each query, and in this we are given a sorted array nums of n non-negative integers and an integer maximum bit, and we want to perform the following operation n times. We have to find a non-negative integer k which is less than 2 to the power of maximum bit such that num0 XOR nums1 so on to XOR nums dot length nums of nums dot length minus 1 XOR k is maximized, and k is the answer to the ith query, and we have to remove the last element from the current array. Like basically in the first operation we'll have to pick the whole array and then XOR it with k, then don't have to pick the last element, then XOR it with k, then similarly we have to go on up to the 0th index. Okay, and we have to return an array where answer of I is the answer to the ith query. So initially we're having this array 0 1 1 3, so the answer to the 0th query is we'll have to pick up this whole array and we have to do XOR of this, so 0 XOR 1 XOR 1 XOR 3, so that will give me 3 up till here, sorry, yeah, it will give me up till here 3, and then what I have to do is I have to find a k which is less than 2 to the power 2, which is 4. So any positive integer k which is less than 2 to the power 2, and if we'll pick up 0, then it will give me the maximized answer, because let's say I'll be having a few choices which is 0, starting from 0 1 2 and 3, and as you can see the question says we have to pick up the k less than 2 to the power maximum bit, so we can't pick 4. So let's say we are having up to the answer, it should be yeah, it should be 3 till here, from 0 XOR 1 XOR 1 XOR 3, and we haven't XORed it with k initially. Okay, so if we'll do a 3 XOR 0, so that will give me 3 again. Then if I'll try it with doing it with 3 XOR 1, so that will give me I guess it should give me it's 1 1, so yeah, so it will give me 2. Then if I'll do a 3 XOR with 2, it will give me 1. Then if I'll do a 3 XOR 3, it will give me 0. Okay, so the maximum answer by which I can get is 3 from 3 XOR 0 3, so that's why 3 is the answer to the like the last query. Okay, yeah, basically you can just reverse this and then you get, it would be like easy for you to understand. Then I am having, oh okay, just a second, the answer is, since, just a second, oh yeah, so basically we have to tell k and not the final answer, sorry, that was my bad. So for this the answer is k is equal to 0, because we'll be picking up this, we have picked up this k. Then in the next query we have picked k is equal to 3, because that will give me the maximum answer, because 0 XOR 1, basically 0 1 XOR 1 will cancel out each other, so 0 XOR 0, that will be again 0. So if we'll do a XOR of it with 3, that will give me the maximum answer, so that's why my k comes out to be here 3. Okay, so for this, firstly let's have n, so that is equal to nums dot length, and then let's have a answer array of size n only, new int of size n, and then let's have XOR initial variable which is 0, and then we'll be traversing, like we'll be having a running XOR from 0 to the last index, and then we can just add a function to reverse it at the end, or we can just start updating the answer array from the back. Okay, so I less than n I plus plus, and then I'll be updating the XOR equal to of nums of I, firstly, and then let's have a maximum value as well, so int val that will be equal to 1, by left shifting it to maximum bit minus 1, because this is the like last value which we can have. Then what I'll be doing is I'll be updating answer of n minus 1 minus I, so that I just don't have to reverse it again. I'll be doing it will be XOR val, and this will give me the answer, and then let's just return the answer and let's give it a run, and it's accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works fine as well. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.